Are you afraid of the social gatherings, the public gatherings? Whenever you feel that there's an event, a public event, a social gathering, you escape from that, you run away from that. Even if you're the most confident one, but still, you feel a little uncomfortable when there are a lot of people around you. But today, I'll tell you 5 simple things. If you apply it, you would come out the most confident one in any social gathering, any public gathering. Point number 1 is the body language attracts confidence. Now, irrespective of what is going inside you, a horror story, a fearful story, but your demeanor should look a lot positive, and that is possible. Let me tell you, it's possible. Many a times the internal thing doesn't come outside, external, but your demeanor handles most of the internal factors. So if you have anything inside, just don't show it outside. As simple as that. Point number 2 is confident eye contact. Now this is again very pivotal. Even if you are meeting the person for the very first time, look into the eyes. Try not to look here and there while talking. If you just put your eyes down, or maybe a left a bit, right a bit, this shows that you're not confident. Yeah, even if you do not know about the conversation, who stops you to have a good eye contact? The next point is smile. That's the best weapon that we all have. Now, even if you do not know the person, you can still smile. So, if I need to smile or give a smile to anyone, the ground rule is not that I should know him or should know her. Now, just simply think, do not rush to a discussion. If you come here to meet someone for a very important discussion for a very first time and he is your go-to person, just do not rush to the objective. Take it easy. Smile a bit. Like, for example, if you're just meeting for a person for an objective, you say, hi sir, I just was thinking to share something to you. I was just going from here, thought that should meet you and discuss a few things with you. I mean, you can do that instead of you just rushing to the objective. Sir, I had very important thing to share it with you. I know your time is very valuable, so can I quickly take a minute and share it with you? Now you can see the difference. Smile and relax. Point number 4. Talk about your strengths and interests in the public gathering. Now this helps me a lot and will help you also. Now if I am at the public gathering or an event wherein I am focusing on the networking part, I would not refrain, I would not mind to share that I started my career from acting. I've worked in Om Shanti Om, or maybe I've worked in a show on Sony television. And let me tell you, people, they are always interested to know what best that you can do, or what are your skills, what is your talent, and they get inclined towards this sort of discussions. Point number 5, believe that you're the best. This flare of confidence in the public gathering, that you believe that you're the best in what you do, which will eventually help you in that objective which you have come to the social gathering and that public event. So my friends, these are the 5 things that you apply to get the best out of the best in the public events, public gatherings and social gatherings. Hi friends, with the thought of sharing of knowledge is actually caring of knowledge, so I make my videos. If you like my videos, do share it, have a look at it and subscribe it. Thank you so much.